In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record yourself playing Roblox. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And all you have to do is just swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center, and here you can find that screen record button. You can tap on that button and after 3 seconds countdown it will start recording all actions that are going on the screen. And now you can tap at Roblox, the screen is now being recorded, and you can now select any game and play it and do whatever you want on Roblox. And after you finished your playing, you can just hop out the game and then hit at that red sign and select stop to stop screen recording. The video has been saved to your photos. You can go to photos and there you can find a video that you have just recorded, and now if you want you can tap here at edit and trim it for a bit, so you can trim the start of the video like in that way, and also you can trim the end of the video in the same way, and then you can just tap on done and then tap on save video to save your screen record of your Roblox playing game. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.